Have been waiting for this bad boy for a long time.
I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy.
Not now. Come on, get out of the way. It's my camera. I'm gonna show them and talk about you. Can you stay to the side? This is my don't pay attention to them. I mean, don't pay attention to it, okay? Welcome to the Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah, it's your boy Flex McKenzie. And in today's video, I'm gonna unbox the WALAPress mug press. Yeah, this bad boy is right behind me and I've been waiting for a long time to get into sublimation. Tumbler press, mug press, you know. So I'm gonna unbox it, show you guys what's in it, and then we're gonna get sublimated. Sublimated? Yeah. All right. So, but before we hop into the video, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, share this video, drop your boy a comment, and don't forget, follow me on IG, follow me on TikTok, follow me on the site I'm on. I think those are good enough. And go to my website, www.comfortstyle.com, baby. I'm so excited to finally get into Tumblr. So I'm so happy that I'm gonna start doing Tumblr and stuff like that. So let's just roll into the video. Okay, so this is the press that's Heat Transfer Warehouse Press. If you guys interested in shopping at Heat Transfer Warehouse, the link is down below. You can find all your sublimation needs at Heat Transfer Warehouse. You get your vinyl, you get even DTF printers, you get anything you want, t-shirt, all that at Heat Transfer Warehouse. Now this guy been trying to hog up the shot from the beginning. You guys saw it, keep pushing into the shot, but stay out of it. Wait, it can't stay out of it. Why? It's all about the press, the mug press. All right, let's just get unboxing.
Transfer Warehouse is the best place to shop for mug press. This is the WALAPress. Shipping is fast and simple checkout. As you can see, the press is packed quite well. We've detailed all the parts, and we're going to review them right now so you can see what all the parts look like. WALAPress, 7-in-1 combo manual mug heat press bundle. You can get it at Heat Transfer Warehouse. Link is down below. Okay.
All right. Okay, so this one is the 7-in-1 mug press. So these are all the attachments for the mug. Can you guys see it? Oops. Okay. So these are all the attachment for the mug press. Okay, they're for different size for the mug press. I think you could do a 1.5 ounce shot glass. You could do on them. I don't know which one yet because as you see I just opened it.
7 platens for multi-uses, platen sizes, 1.5 ounces shot glasses, 3 ounces mini straight mugs, 6 to 10 ounces straight mugs, 11 to 15 ounces straight mugs, 12 ounces cone-shaped mugs, 17 ounces cone-shaped mugs, 20 ounces tumbler mugs.
So all these are the attachment. Now let's get the king of the show, the press. So it's in that box. It's just chilling, waiting for me to take it out. Look at the color. The color is amazing. Now I don't know if they still have that color, but I love the purple color. Anyway, let me get it out of the box. Oh boy, it's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that bad boy. Now, of course, it's 7-in-1, right? Like I told you. So this is the other piece. I'll show you 6 pieces of it first. 6 parts. Okay, so you get this. I'll show you guys in a while. Let's just finish unwrapping this. But let me tell you guys, the purple I wanted because I have the purple heat press. So I wanted a purple press. Now I don't know if they have this color still in stock or it's a different color. I don't know. Okay, but I know I got this purple color, and I know some of you are jealous. I know. Be very careful. This is my bad boy. Taking it out of its diaper. It's foam, foam, foam. All right, so this is what it looks like. Oh my God, amazing look. So over here we have all the time setting, temperature. So we got temperature, set, and time. So this is not a automatic. This is a manual. That means when it goes up, beep, you have to manually open it. Okay? But this bad boy is beautiful. Wow. So you get this. You get these attachments. You get 1. You get 2. You get 3. You get 4. You get 5. And you get 6. Plus this one that's already on it. You get this one. Okay, so altogether is 7-in-1 press. And of course you get the electrical wire. What's wrong with my, oh, okay. So you get the electrical cord for it. So this
Don't forget
is
the link is down below, and it's fast
mug
shipping.
press. So I just wanted to show you guys the unboxing of it. And I will be making in the next video, I'm gonna start making some tumbler, some mugs, and stuff like that. This is one of their amazing looking press. Okay, now you guys want to see me unwrap this? All right, you know what? I'm gonna unwrap this so you guys could actually see what one of these look like. Even though you could see it right here, because it's so easy to change all of these. I never used it before, but just by looking at it, I know you got to probably unscrew these to take these out, unscrew that to take it out. But let me open this. That's another one. Okay, we'll do it in another video. All right, I want to tell you guys thank you for watching. If you're here, please subscribe to the video channel. Subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, share this video. And as always, your boy love you. This is the WALAPress mug press. This is the 7-in-1. This is the beautiful color. And I love the color. Anyway, I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'm out.